And groups across the Quad Cities today putting a spotlight on women's health. Maddie Franz shows us the issues they're highlighting and what women should know to take care of themselves.
For decades, women's health hasn't been studied as closely as men's health. In 2019, Harvard Medical School found that only 40% of clinical trial participants were women, despite making up 51% of the population. So I asked providers and advocates the same question. What's a health risk that more women should be aware of?
It's very important for people to have the prenatal care.
At YWCA, the focus is on new mothers.
We know that women of color have a higher risk of death.
The Maternal Health Expo offers resources and education so moms know how to take care of themselves.
More women should be aware of cervical cancer screenings, also known as pap smears.
Emma Kleino-Wagschall is a registered nurse with Community Healthcare.
That is the only way that we can test for HPV or cervical cancer.
Left untreated, cervical cancer can spread to other parts of the body. It kills about 4,000 Americans every year, but it's not the only cancer that needs early detection.
I am a 23-year breast cancer survivor.
Etta McGinnis wants more women to get their yearly mammogram.
Just because you don't feel anything don't mean anything is there.
Black women are 40% more likely to die of breast cancer.
And it's largely due to not going and getting their detection and their screenings done.
Pink Party with a Purpose at the Lincoln Center aims to take that number down by encouraging a healthy lifestyle. There's a health risk that kills more women than all cancers combined.
Heart disease in women is kind of the silent killer.
Laura Burkhamper and Dunya Serini run the Quad Cities Go Red for Women event.
You traditionally hear about pains in the chest, about pains down the arm.
Symptoms of heart disease present differently in women: fatigue, stomach pains, anxiety.
A lot of times women ignore that.
The goal of that event and all of these health events is to keep women in the know about their bodies. Maddie Franz, WQAD News 8.